students. Today we are going to see chapter 12 discrete mathematics 12.1 first sum. Question number 1, determine whether star is a binary operation on set given below. First question, they given a star b is equal to a dot modulus b on r. Second, a star b is a minimum a comma b on a equal to 1 2 3 4 5. Third one, a star b equal to a root b is a binary on r. Solution, yes. Here the first one is saying yes. Why means here reason a comma b belongs to the real number. So the modulus of b also belongs to real number. When b belongs to real number, multiplication of binary on r. So a modulus of b belongs to r. See, suppose if you take the negative numbers in modulus of b, it is changed into positive. So that is a real number here. When a, b are real. So a star b belongs to r. Star is a binary operation of r. Yes. The answer is yes here. Second also, a star b is minimum a comma b. See, minimum value, they given a 1 2 3 4. You are taking 1 comma 2 the minimum value. Then 2 3 like that we are taking and saying. Reason a comma b belongs to r. Minimum of a comma b is either a or b. But a comma b belongs to real number. Here they given 1 2 3. Now that we have to compare and see. Let it a star b belongs to r. So star is a binary operation on r. Third one, now a star b is equal to a root b, where a comma b belongs to r. Here we will say no. Why means here a root b they given. So root b means suppose if you take any value means suppose 2 you are taking the root value will be what point it will come. So here star is not a binary operation on r. So it will not be a real number. Reason a comma b is r. B can be a negative number. Also if you square it the root will be a negative number is not a real. So root b not belongs to r. Even when b belongs to r, root b belongs to r, that is a star b not belongs to r. Star is not a binary operation on r. Now we are going to see the second sum on Z. Define star by m is into n equal to m power n plus n power m. For every n belongs to Z is star is a binary on Z. Here we are saying here no, it is not a binary Z on Z. Reason means m comma n belongs to Z. M comma n can be a negative also. So suppose we are taking one example, m power n, here m equal to minus k. See that power here positive, there it will be a negative. M power minus k we can write it as 1 by m power k, that is not belongs to integers. So similarly m is a negative, then n power m not belongs to integer. So m star n not belongs to integers. Star is not a binary on Z. We can use number also. M equal to minus 3, n equal to 2 means m into n if you multiply and see means minus 3 square it will be 9, but 2 power minus 3 it will be 1 by 8. If you take LCM means 73 by 8 it will come. It not belongs to integers. So it will be, here the reason is no. Now question number 3 we are going to see. Let star is defined by on r by a star b is equal to a plus b plus ab minus 1 is a star binary on r. If so, find 3 star minus 7 by 15. See the given solution. A star b is equal to a plus b plus ab minus 7. Still the given one here minus 7. So here b belongs to real number also. So a plus b plus ab belongs to real number. We know that minus 7 belongs to real. So a plus b plus ab minus 7 belongs to real. So star is a binary on r. So we are using that number and seeing 3 star 7 by minus 7 by 15 we are taking means we are using that formula 3 plus minus 7 by 15 plus 3 into minus 7 by 15 minus 7. Taking LCM we are finding that answer 88 by 5. By using that formula a plus b plus ab minus 7, we are substituting this value and finding. The question number 4, let a plus root 5b comma a comma b belongs to integer. Check whether the usual multiplication is binary on operation a. Here let a plus root 5b and b c plus root 5d, where a comma b comma c belongs to m. Now we are taking a star b. So we are multiplying here a plus root 5 by b into c plus root 5 by d. So we are multiplying ac plus root 5 ad plus root 5 bc plus root 5 b root 5 d. So ac plus here root 5 it will be 5 bd. Root 5 taking outside ad plus bc belongs to here. So where a comma b comma c belongs to z. So it is a binary operation.